Good morning, good evening, good night, 7th and 8th grade. I wanted to talk to you about your upcoming monthly August-September reading project. You'll have a project due every month at the end of the month. I'm going to take you through the presentation super quick, and then I'm going to take you through how to access the rubrics and directions to each different assignment. So here's the presentation. So as I said, each month you're going to have a book project due on the last day of your assigned month. For this month, September, it's going to be September 30th. Your reading questions are also due the last day of your assigned month. That is the same as this month, September 30th. Be wise to start working on them early so you do have enough time to finish your projects and your questions. All right, please work on your reading questions as you read each day. You should be reading about 30 to 40 minutes a day, 20 minutes we do in class, and at least 30 minutes at home in order to finish a book in a month. The first book project you're going to do is 5 minutes long. That's the maximum amount of time it can be. It needs to be recorded and submitted on Flipgrid, and I will post that link on Google Classroom as well. In this presentation, you're going to talk about why you chose the book, what it was about, who your favorite character was, who would you recommend the book to, things like that. You're going to need to write it out first and then record it on Flipgrid and submit it. The next project is the Amazon review. Talk about how many stars you're going to give the review, what did you love about it, what did you not like about it, did it meet your standards, and who would you recommend this type of book to. The author letter, you're going to write a letter to your author about anything. The bullet points here are just a few of them. Once you click on the assignment, you'll see the full list of things you could write to your author about, and that just has to be 1 page long. Your author profile is you're maybe doing a background information on your author. You're going to talk about how their life influenced their writing, or if it did or if it didn't. Just figuring out who they are. That's also 1 page long. Alternate beginning or ending. If you didn't like the way your book began or the way it ended, you can change it. All I ask is that you include the original beginning or include the original ending of your book, and then you tell me why you want to change it, and then you rewrite your ending. The summary. You're going to use memes to summarize your book. You must have 3 memes for the beginning, 3 memes for the middle, and 3 memes at the end of your book with explanations. You need to explain why you chose that meme or why you created that meme, what part of the book it relates to, so on and so forth. Okay, 3 for the beginning, 3 for the middle, 3 for the end. And I believe the last one is the movie and book comparison, which you can watch the movie, read the book, compare the two, what was different, what was similar. There is a list of things you can talk about on the sheet, and I'll show you how to access that now. So once you go to Google Classroom, you'll see the presentation I just did. You'll see some example model projects of a few of them. So there's a model project for Samimri, a model project of Amazon Review, a model project for a book talk. On this link, this is what you're going to type your project on. So you're going to erase this where it says title of assignment and put whatever title of assignment you want to do. Okay, so if it's book talk, you're going to put book talk. Put the month, erase this and just put the month. Put your name here and scroll down the date, the teacher name, and the class name. The class name is 7th ELA or 8th ELA. And on this page, you would copy and paste the template. So I have a template for every one of you guys for different projects. And you can copy and paste the template on this page, and this is what you're going to submit to me. I'll show you what I mean by the template. So if you go to this link here, this is really important. Whatever project you're doing, you're going to click on one of these links. If you're doing the book talk per se, click on book talk. It'll open you up to this page. And on this page, you will see that I have step-by-step directions. I have tips. At the very bottom, I have a template. You want to copy and paste this template so you can answer these questions in your paper. So you want to go to your paper, you'd scroll down, hit copy and paste just like this, and then you would take the time to answer each question. Now for the book talk, you do need to make a recording. So you can have this open while you record yourself on Flipgrid. This is pretty much how every project will be done. Again, you're going to access each of these here, the directions and the rubric, right? The rubric tells you how you're going to be graded. So if you click here on rubric, you'll see how you're going to be graded on these projects. Okay. Achieved, if you do the achieved column, That's what you're aiming for. If you want to go above and beyond, that's exemplary here. Okay, and then at the end, I total your summatives out of these points. So if you get a 20 out of 32, I divide that, and that is your score. That'd be a 63. Let's not aim for that. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, contact me, and I will help straighten that out for you. So I hope this video was helpful. Again, email me if you have any questions.